Absolutely. We are okay. You can go. I'll give you instructions to go. Okay, that's fine. So that's way to in a straight line, that's it. Perfect. That's a nice line through there. And then obviously back off slightly. Okay. Forward again. Okay. Right, slow down. It's just all about preempting it. We've got what we're going to do, stay on the left this time because we've got a McLaren right behind us. So I'm going to let him go. That's it, it's fine. We'll carry on. You know, he's fast enough. And then they've made this really tight now. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if it was like this when you went out earlier.
It was, yeah, it was.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to carry on it. Yeah. To the right. So just carry constant speed now, that's nice. Momentum, you know, it's not all about. Okay, back off, because obviously we don't want to. So we'll follow him into the corner. Yeah. But we just don't get quite too close, because obviously we don't know what anyone else is going to do. Yeah. That's it. Great, well done. It's just trying to get everybody round at the right time. So we've got one more lap. Okay, he's coming in. Just steady on a constant steady throttle now. Just keep the car balanced. That's it. Get ready because slow down because he's not signalling us to go. So we have to be compliant. So we're giving some space because we don't know what he's going to do. Yeah. So even if he indicates us, we're not going to go. We've got McLaren right behind us. So when we come over, again, you go to the left. And the McLaren knows he can go. We'll back out. Okay, we'll be sensible. And we're coming in this time anyway, so it's lots of people have got other things going on. That's why just give them plenty of room. That's good though. But he's getting ready to tell us to go fast, but we're going in the pit lane. So I do that. So we follow. We just stay left. Don't worry about anyone else. He was trying to be nice. So when we go round the corner, it's almost pretty much stop and wrestle with the steering wheel. Okay? Because it's very heavy steering. Right, yeah. So slow right down.
Yeah, just caught out a few times.
Almost a stop. Yeah. And then make sure you're ready. That's it. Right, slow down in the pits. Yeah. So we'll go down a bit. We'll cut through and then we'll find somewhere over on the grass. Yeah. Enjoy that? Still smiling?
Yeah, no, it's good.
I mean, how different?
Yeah, it's good to experience it, definitely.
Slowly, let's find a gap. You can go through here. Yeah. Okay, this woman. Stop it in the middle just in case. And just let the BMW go. And then we'll go over behind the green Aston on the grass there.
Yeah.
Yeah? So we'll go on here. So hopefully this guy will jump out our way.
Yeah.
Go quite well on, gives these people room to swing off.
Sure, yeah.
That's excellent. I'll do. Entrance in neutral and handbrake is on for me, please.